ating suyuan at galak. Kung mawawala ka sa piling ko, sinta,
Paanong Pasko alay ko
sa'yo. Kung mawawala ka sa piling ko, sinta, paano ang Pasko inuwila mo? Sayang, sinta, ang sinumpaan at pagtitinginan tunay. Nais mo bang kalimutan ka na ang ating suyuan at galak? Kung mawawala ka sa piling ko, sinta, paano ang Pasko? Alay ko sa'yo.
All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. 2 minutes for support for Kay and Andre.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys.
so much.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas.
Ay,
Ano ba? Grabe yung kaba namin. Thank you so much,
po,
everyone.
Ma'am.
Sana nakurot namin yung mga puso.
Sa mga malalamig ng Pasko,
Yes.
para po sa inyo ang performance na yun.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Salamat po sa
Also,
mga naman
family.
who's watching right now. Hi!
Salamat po ng team. Thank you so much, especially Team Fire. Grabe yung support na. Boss T, thank you so much for para sa event na to. Ayan. For this Christmas. And to all the founders and admins. Thank you so much po.
Sana po natuwa-tuwa kayo sa other side of our talents.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Galing, oh my gosh.
Thank
So
you
once
so
again,
much,
guys,
Thank you, guys.
If you want Kay and Andre to enter the next round of the competition, go ahead and don't hesitate. Drop in all your support. Kung
Yay.
nadaman nyo yun, di ba?
Thank you, Garen.
Go.
EFG family, thank you so much. Team Mapagmahal, Team Gorgeous, thank you so much. Thank you, Rose.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much sa lahat po ng support niyo, guys. Thank you.
Kahit malungkot po yung performance namin, sana po maging masaya ang Pasko nating lahat.
Ayan, shoutout po sa mga nakarelate. Paano nga ba? Paano mo nga ba isi-celebrate yung
ang
Pasko, no?
pag wasak ang puso mo.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Shoutout sa mga wasak ang puso dyan.
Lockdown sa Pasko. Oh, sabi dito. ni
Yes.
Oscar. All right, and ladies
Thank you,
and
Zai.
gentlemen, 20 seconds.
Come on, guys. Drop it.
Drop it, guys.
Woo!
Merry Christmas, everyone! Thank you, All-Star!
Thank you, thank you. Merry Christmas!
Ayan. Thank you so much,
Thank
Kay
you,
and Andre,
Vicious
for that
Family.
amazing performance. And I hope to see you on the next round. And good luck. Thank you.
Bye!
Thank you, Ga.
Thank you so much.